In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate square images for Instagram in Artistly AI. Instagram works best with square images because they fit perfectly in the feed and create a cleaner, more professional look. First, before generating your image, select the square aspect ratio inside Artistly AI. This usually means using a 1:1 format, so your content is properly optimized for Instagram. Next, keep your main subject centered. Since square layouts have less horizontal space, balanced compositions usually perform better and look cleaner on mobile devices. You should also use bold colors, strong lighting, and clear focal points because Instagram content needs to grab attention quickly while people are scrolling. If you're creating promotional content, leave some open space for text or branding so the image doesn't feel overcrowded. After generating the image, use the upscale tool to improve sharpness and overall quality before uploading to Instagram. You can also use direct editing tools to refine details, adjust colors, or improve lighting for a more polished final result. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.